Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will try to understand the XML for each and if tags. So let's get started. Now friends, this particular piece of code is from our last video, and here is the output where we are displaying the information based on our XML file. Let me also show you the XML file. Here is the XML file where we have information for 4 users, namely John, Natasha, Rahul and Pooja, right? Now friends, if we would like to traverse all of these list of user, first solution could be copy this part and paste it once again and update the index values, update the node values. Now this is a tedious job, and in order to fix this we have a yet another solution of for each. So let us use that. So this particular portion of code, to start with, we will cut this off. Alright, and in here we will add in a yet another tag which is for each. Alright, and again we have the select option in between. Now we have to select a specific path, and what exactly the path is something which we will talk. Let me paste in the code which we have cut off. Here we go. Now friends, we have this for each tag, we also have this out tag, and using the out tag we can traverse the specific node as well. But in here we won't traverse the specific node, we will cut off this information and we will select the information in here. Now friends, in here we won't provide any node number, we will straight away give the name of the node which we would like to traverse per iteration. Now what happens is, we would be able to traverse, we would be able to extract information of a specific user. For first iteration we would be extracting the information of John, and then we will extract the information of Natasha, and in the later iteration we will extract the information of Rahul and Pooja. So this is a very good way of extracting the information if there are like multiple nodes for the specific information. Alright, now moving forward, in here definitely we need to make some changes. For example, we will select in here name. Likewise for gender we will simply select the information gender. For age we will simply select the information age. Alright, so this looks good to me. Alright, so this is good, and let us also add in a br tag before, and we will also add a extra br tag later. Alright, so this looks good to me, and now let me refresh this page, and here is the information, which is cool, right? This is very nice and good output. Now moving forward, let us add in a yet another thing. For example, we would like to extract the information based on some condition. Then again we have something known as, let me show you. In here we can again make use of if condition, and in here we can add in a condition. For example, select age is greater than 20. Now if we add in the condition like this, then only the users whose age is more than 20 would be selected. So in here Pooja is below 20, so the information of Pooja will not be fetched. Alright, so now let us navigate to our JSP file, and in here we have added this if condition, but this closing of if needs to be done after the fetching of our information. So we will end the if condition after retrieving all of these 3 values. Alright, now moving forward, if I navigate to our page and try to refresh, then definitely the information of Pooja is vanished. Alright, so this is cool. This is how we can extract information based on some condition again. Now friends, moving forward, we can also convert this particular data into tabular format. Again, that would be interesting, right? So in here, let me quickly do one more thing. Before our for each tag, let us add in a table real quick, and we will give the border as 1, and we will end this table after closing in our for each loop. Alright, so this is one thing. Now per iteration we will add in a row. So in here let us add in a row. So we will add a tr tag, and we will end this just before our ending of for loop. Alright, and now these information would be our table data. So let us get rid of these br tags real quick. We don't require this name, gender, age label again, and we will simply add in the td tags in here. So it would be like table data. Let me copy this part and paste it real quick. And now let me end the td tags as well. All right, and now again let me refresh the page, and here is the output. Perfect. So this is how we can like deal with XML files. We can apply some condition, we can like iterate over the data which is available inside our XML file, or we can convert the data into tabular format. So this is cool, this is good, and this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.